Hey good people, welcome to today's video as we continue our series on how to trade Forex. And today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use Mt4 and Mt5. That is MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Usually, every trader must use Mt4 and Mt5 because most brokers support these two platforms for you to be able to place trades. Well, some brokers also support TradingView and CTrader, but it's good to know how to use all of these tools. So you can use Mt4 and Mt5 to place trades as well as analyze the markets. But personally, I like analyzing the markets using TradingView because it's a bigger tool and it offers me a wide variety of financial markets. That includes Forex, crypto, indices, stocks as well. So today I'm going to show you how to use Mt4 and Mt5 to place trades. And on another tutorial I'll be using TradingView and teaching you how to actually analyze the markets using TradingView. Fantastic. Let's start. So for you to be able to use TradingView and to analyze the market so that you can place your trades on Mt4 or Mt5, you first need to actually create an account with a broker, right? Personally, I use BT Swiss as my broker. So we're going to create an account real fast. Then we're going to add that account on our Mt4 or Mt5. Then from there we can now actually place trades. Follow me, let's go. So what I'm going to do, I'll first log in on my account, right there. Perfect. Then I'm gonna go to accounts, then add accounts. Then here we can add any account. For this tutorial we can use a demo account. So we can use zero spread demo. Once you go there, we can pick Mt4, right? Actually, let's use Mt5 first. Then we're going to use USD right there. Then we use dynamic input password. That will be the same password as my account. Add password. Perfect. So at that point, we'll be having an account. So from this point, all we have to do is come to that account right here. It's a demo account, of course. It's a demo account. Then you can go to settings. And you can actually see dynamic leverage. This is one thing I love about BT Swiss, because with dynamic leverage, which is up to 1:2000. You remember I taught you how to use leverage, right? You all know how to use leverage. But now imagine having 1:2000 leverage. That means you can take a huge position even with just a small capital. Yeah. Then where we have the name, you can actually edit this as you like. So let's say you edit this, and let's say we call it optimal FX TMA, trading made easy. Update. Perfect. Then what you're going to do, go to Mt5. Yeah, and of course when you click transactions, you'll see deposit, the amount you want to deposit. You can withdraw, you can transfer from one account to another, you can see your history and that kind of thing. So go to Mt5 and here you'll see the login details, right? You can see the login details. On the login details, now we can go to Mt5 right here. This is Mt5. Then what you're going to do is go to settings, right? Go to settings. Then on settings, you can see new account. Click new account. Then here you have to search for the company, which is BD Swiss, of course, right there. Then you're going to need to confirm the server. You can come back here, confirm the server is BD Swiss Global Server 01, and that is correct. Then the login is 812.9056, right? Once you confirm, 612, 812.9612. Perfect. Once you have that in, then input your password. Perfect. Then you're done. Then now we have an account which has about $10,000. But remember, this is virtual money, right? This is just virtual money. With virtual money, this is for the purpose of just mostly learning and dealing in a demo account. What it means is, when you trade and make profit, you can't withdraw the profit, yeah? And when you trade and lose money, then you're not liable. You're not losing your own money because it's just virtual money meant for learning. Now, once you do this now, we are done with your broker, and now you are on the platform. And let's say you analyze your market on the trading view and you have your order ready. All you have to do is come to quote, right? Once you come to quote, you have different currency pairs here. Go to search for the symbol that you actually want to trade. Let's say we want to trade GBP USD, right? So you're going to pick this one, the one with GBP USD ... R, right? Because that is for the account. So once we click that, it's added. We can also add the Euro USD, right? And we can also add Gold USD. Perfect. Now once you have that ready, just cancel. Then go to charts. Okay, go to charts. Then you see right here where we have our card. You can click there and see the currency pairs you can trade. Alternatively, you can just go to trade. You can just click inside this chart. Once you have these ready, you can click inside, then click trade, right? Once you click trade, you'll see different types of orders, and actually you've learned about the orders, so you have these ready. So you can use the buy limit, the sell limit, the buy stop, the sell stop, the buy stop limit, the sell stop limit, or the market execution. And we know once you use the market execution, your trade will be placed instantly. So let's start with the market execution. Then we need to choose the lot size. Let's say we're going to trade one standard lot, just input one. Then we need a stop loss, right? So for example, right now price is at 1.2666, right? 1.2666. So right now it's at 665. So what you need to do is the stop loss, because we are trying to buy, we're trying to buy, so the stop loss will be something below the entry price, right? So let's take 2660. That is our stop loss, which will be roughly 4 pips. Then the take profit should be higher, of course. So let's go with 2700. Then just click buy. Once you click buy, your position will be running immediately, you see? And I told you guys, whenever you start to trade, you'll first see that drawdown. You see, it went straight to a negative. Now, that is the amount that you pay the broker for you to be able to place that trade. It's the transaction fee. Just as you send someone M-Pesa and a certain amount is cut, so this is the same way it works in trading, because the broker must make money. Yeah, and I told you brokers make money two either ways: one, through spread, and two, through commission. So that is how you place a trade using the market order. Then we can go back, click inside, right? Then trade, then use buy limit, right? A buy limit. Let's say we're still trading one standard lot, so this one remains to be 1. Then we need the price. What price do you want to place this trade at? And I told you, when you're using a buy limit, you want to buy at a better price. You want to place a pending order that will be activated once the price touches or reaches a better price than it is currently. So you want to buy at a lower price, right? So that lower price, let's say that lower price will be 26650. That is your buy limit. Then the stop loss will be, let's say 2645, which is 5 pips. Then the take profit, let's say it will be 2700, just as for the market order. So then click place. Once you have the place order, then you will see here, once you go to trade, right? Once you go to trade, you will see it's placed and it's a buy limit. And once you click inside, you can see the actual order. You can see the volume, which is one standard lot. You can see the stop loss, yeah. You can see the take profit, and you can see the time you placed the trade at. And actually, you can also see the date and the order number, right? That's it. For the sell limits, it's the same thing. Just click inside, trade, then come here, right? Trade, come here, click that, choose sell limit, then one standard lot as well, and we're looking to sell at a price above the current price. So if it's at 6.2 right now, we can say we want to sell at 6.7, right? Then the stop loss will be probably let's say something like 2670, which is 3 pips, and then the take profit will be 2600. Then click place. That's it. Once you come to trades, right here, you'll see the order has been placed and it's a sell limit. And if you click inside this order, you can see the order details, the volume, which is one standard loss, the stop loss, the take profit, and everything else. Yeah, perfect. So that is how you use Mt5. And for example, if you go to Mt4, there's no big difference. There's no big difference. I actually prefer Mt4 because Mt5 has more tools. It's more advanced, but I guess I'm a creature of habit, so I'm used to Mt4. So come to settings, new account, right? New account. Then at this point, you need to know, is it an existing account or are you creating a new account? Because we've already created an account on BB Swiss, we just say that it's an existing account. Once you click that, we have to choose, yeah, and this time we'll be using, we need to search, but because I already have them, just click this one. Then the login details will be 701. Of course, you know how to get these from your broker. 70163 and the password, of course, that's good, and we are in. And now you can see we have an account with 10,754. I was actually trading this account. So once we have this account ready, then go to quotes. Remember, go to quotes and add the currency pairs you want to trade, GBP, USD, right there. Once you have that ready, then come back. You can go to charts, click this, trade. Once you have this ready, it's the same as the Mt5. So if you want a market execution, maybe one standard lot, maybe stop loss is of course below that, 60, and then TP is at 67, and buy. And immediately you are in the trade. Yeah, it's running. Yeah. And of course, to place a market order, that is a market order, sorry. So to place a buy limit or a sell limit, the same thing we did. You can come to charts, click anywhere inside. And of course, by the way, this scale, you see this scale makes these candlesticks bigger if you want them to. And also, you can change the time frames, right? You can change the time frames here. Where you see the M15, once you click that, it gives you different time frames. You can go to 1 hour, yeah, you see that? You can go to 1 hour. Then, now once we click inside, then click trade, choose the currency where you want to trade. Let's say it's a buy limit, one standard lot as well. The price is of course below the current price, so let's say 2660. The stop loss will be 2655. Take profit, maybe it's what, something like 2677. Place, and you're done, right? You see it's placed, the buy limit is here, and it's just waiting for the activation, right? And that is how you place a trade using MT4 and MT5. And now I'm going to create another tutorial on how to use CTrader, as well as how to use TradingView, because TradingView is very, very important. Yeah, guys, once you understand how TradingView works, it's magical. It's so cool. So I'm going to make that tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah, that marks the end of the session. Yeah, so guys, thank you, and enjoy, rather have a nice time.